Hi, my name is Joey Papa. I'm a coffee consultant, and today we're going to learn how to make caramel frappes. Caramel frappes are a blended coffee drink that you can make at home, and you're going to be saving a ton of money because most of these types of beverages are sold in coffee shops for anywhere from $4 to $5, and you can make them at home for less than 50 cents a piece. Basically, what you're going to need to do this is a home blender. You're going to need some instant coffee. Today I'm using these pre-measured packets, but you could use instant coffee right out of a jar as well. We're going to need some milk. We're going to need caramel flavoring, which you could find down your coffee aisle of your local grocery store. You are also going to need some maple syrup, whipped cream, and some ice. Now basically what we're going to do is we're going to take these ingredients and add them to the blender, and we're just going to blend them on high until they blend into a smooth and consistent texture that you can serve as your caramel frappe. Now I just want to say that the maple syrup, we use that in the recipe to help create more of a smooth consistency. If you're just using sugar, you're not going to have the liquid that you need, so make sure you're using some maple syrup in your recipe. So first what we're going to do is we're going to take a half a cup of milk, and you can choose the milk of your choice, whether you want soy milk, almond milk, non-fat, whole, it's up to you. Go ahead and add that to your blender. Once you've added your cup of milk, then you're going to take a half a cup of maple syrup and add that to the blender. After the half a cup of maple syrup, you're then going to add a half a cup of caramel flavoring. Then you're going to take 2 instant coffee packets, or you could use 2 tablespoons of instant coffee and add that to the blender. Once you've got those ingredients in there, you can then go ahead and take your cup of ice. And today we're using a 12-ounce cup. You're just going to fill the cup all the way to the top, and you're going to dump that in your blender. Once you have all of the ingredients in the blender, you're then going to turn the blender on high and blend it for about 2 to 3 minutes until you get the consistency that you're looking for. Once you're done with that, you're going to pour it in your serving glass, top it off with some whipped cream, and there you have your caramel frappe. Again, my name is Joey Papa. I'm a coffee consultant, and today we learned how to make a caramel frappe at home.